superiority of the human machine, the greatest engine the world has ever known. That's why we work endlessly pushing the limits of what gear and the athlete can be. In fact, before we sew even a single stitch, we study every detail of human performance. The biomechanics, the subtle contours, human ergonomics, the body's strongest points, and the places where it's most vulnerable. This methodology of engineering and designing footwear and apparel as a seamless interface with the human machine is the difference between gear that is worn versus gear that interfaces perfectly with the athlete. This approach is what defines Pearl Izumi, an approach so holistic, it's hard to tell where gear ends and body begins. The result is gear capable of harnessing every watt of potential energy out of the athlete and into the performance. Pearl Izumi is gear that is insanely anatomical, gear that keeps athletes cooler, gear that delivers direct and seamless power transfer, gear that keeps athletes dry, gear that fights fatigue and increases performance, gear that cheats wind. In general, gear that enables athletes to run, ride, and swim with more efficiency than ever before. The superiority of the human machine isn't one of the reasons we keep making better gear. It's the only reason.